Are we alone in the universe? Or are aliens calling home from the far reaches of space where silence reigns supreme? Astronomers have detected signals never heard before, shattering our cosmic isolation and sparking speculation and fear worldwide. NASA has even warned of a terrifying object sending mysterious radio signals to our blue planet. So, what, or who, is reaching out to us from the depths of the universe, and what do they want? In this video, we dive into the intriguing discoveries made by astronomers and the unsettling warnings from NASA. We'll explore the mysterious signals from space, examine the potential sources, and consider the implications for humanity. Join us as we uncover the truth behind these unknown transmissions and what they mean for our understanding of the universe. Thanks to NASA's Kepler mission, astronomers have identified more than 5,000 exoplanets in our tiny corner of the Milky Way galaxy. This discovery makes the idea that we are the only intelligent life forms in the universe seem unfathomable. The immense size of space and the multitude of possibly habitable planets suggest that intelligent life could exist elsewhere. The team studying Proxima Centauri at Australia's Parkes Observatory discovered an unusual signal, dubbed BLC-1, during the decade-long hunt for extraterrestrial broadcasts. This signal, detected by Breakthrough Listen, stands out due to its peculiar characteristics, prompting consideration of potential next actions. BLC-1 is the most tantalizing detection Breakthrough has made in its search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists have been searching the sky for radio signals with artificial sources since Project Ozma in 1960. Unlike naturally occurring radio waves, these alien whispers are thought to resemble human transmissions, covering only a small portion of the radio spectrum and exhibiting a distinctive drift pointing either toward or away from Earth. The ability to distinguish between our own technology and a faraway techno-signature is crucial. Astronomers have encountered numerous potential signals over the years, some originating from pulsars, fast-rotating remnants of extinguished stars that release radio waves into space. However, other sources remain unknown. The famous WOW signal, detected in 1977 by Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Observatory, remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries. Despite extensive searching, no one has been able to replicate the signal or identify its definitive source, whether cosmic or earthly. The quest for alien intelligence initially concentrated on our solar system in the 1960s when SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, was first established. With technological advancements, the search expanded beyond our solar system, focusing on the hydrogen line frequency, the most prevalent electromagnetic frequency emitted by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the cosmos. Breakthrough Listen, funded by Silicon Valley investor Yuri Milner, began directing the Parkes telescope toward Proxima Centauri in April 2019 to understand the enormous flares that small red dwarf stars like Proxima often release. Shane Smith, a student at Michigan's Hillsdale College, detected BLC-1 while processing those data. Despite its faintness, BLC-1 managed to pass all the tests used by the Breakthrough team to eliminate human-generated signals. Its bandwidth was narrow, it fluctuated in frequency, and it vanished when the telescope looked away from Proxima. Over the following days, 4 similar signals appeared, although some were ruled out as radio interference. If BLC-1 is a postcard from the star system next door, the Milky Way must be teeming with communicating civilizations. Following the discovery, scientists re-observed Proxima Centauri but came up empty-handed. They are now attempting to devise new tests to determine the signal's source. Earth has been receiving peculiar radio blasts for decades, and scientists still aren't sure where they're coming from. Researchers have now realized that the signals have been arriving since 1988, but no one understands what object might be sending them. Energy bursts of varied intensities have been detected every 22 minutes for the past 35 years. This object is referred to as GPJ1, 183910 and might be located 15,000 light-years away. Possible explanations for the flashing include pulsars, neutron stars that produce radio bursts due to their rapid spinning. However, pulsar signals typically disappear after a few months or years, known as the death line, when their magnetic field becomes insufficient to produce additional high-energy radiation. The uniqueness of this signal lies in its longevity, being detected for over 30 years. Alternatively, it might be a magnetar, a type of neutron star with a stronger magnetic field but a significantly slower rotational velocity. Natasha Hurley-Walker, a radio astronomer from Australia's International Centre for Radio Astronomy Research, noted that the object spins too slowly to emit radio waves, crossing the death line. This challenges our understanding of neutron stars and magnetars. What happens if today's silence gives way to tomorrow's discovery of alien life? Would it be a cause for celebration or panic? If intelligent life is out there, it must understand radio waves and the electromagnetic spectrum. SETI has been actively seeking such signals, believing that extraterrestrial civilizations would use radio transmissions as the most efficient way to say, "Hello, universe, we're here." The quest for alien intelligence continues with massive radio telescopes scanning the skies for any anomalous signal. Jerry Emin's discovery of the WOW signal in 1977 remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries. The signal's frequency was almost exactly the electromagnetic wavelength of hydrogen, making it a potential message from an extraterrestrial intelligence. Its narrow bandwidth and shape suggested an artificial source, but no one has been able to replicate or definitively identify the signal's source. Breakthrough Listen continues its search, with scientists attempting to devise new tests to determine the source of the signals they detect. This initiative, a part of the larger breakthrough initiatives founded by Yuri Milner in 2015, represents one of the most comprehensive efforts to date in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Using some of the world's most powerful radio telescopes, such as the Green Bank Observatory in West Virginia and the Parkes Observatory in Australia, Breakthrough Listen scans the skies for unusual radio signals that could indicate the presence of alien technology. The detection of the enigmatic signal BLC-1 from Proxima Centauri has spurred scientists to refine their methods and develop more sophisticated tests to distinguish between human-made interference and genuine extraterrestrial signals. These tests involve scrutinizing the frequency, modulation, and drift patterns of the signals. By improving the sensitivity of their equipment and algorithms, scientists hope to filter out the noise and zero in on signals that defy natural explanations. If we eventually find proof of extraterrestrial life, it would mark a significant turning point in human history. The implications of such a discovery are profound, potentially reshaping our understanding of our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering if we are alone. The confirmation of extraterrestrial life would not only answer this age-old question but also challenge our philosophical, religious, and scientific beliefs. Philosophically, the discovery of intelligent alien life would force us to reconsider our assumptions about the uniqueness of human consciousness and our place in the cosmos. It would provoke debates about the nature of intelligence, the potential for communication with other civilizations, and the ethical implications of interacting with them. Religiously, such a discovery might lead to reinterpretations of sacred texts and doctrines, as well as new theological perspectives on creation and our relationship with other sentient beings. Scientifically, finding extraterrestrial life would revolutionize our understanding of biology, evolution, and the potential for life in extreme environments. It could provide insights into alternative biochemistries and the adaptability of life forms, expanding the scope of astrobiology. Moreover, the technology required to detect and communicate with extraterrestrial civilizations might spur advancements in telecommunications, data analysis, and space exploration. The social and political ramifications would also be profound. A confirmed signal from an intelligent civilization could foster a sense of global unity, as humanity confronts the reality of not being alone. It might lead to international collaborations in science and space exploration, as well as discussions about the protocols for responding to extraterrestrial contact. Would discovering alien life bring humanity closer together, or would it incite fear and division? As we continue our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, we must prepare for the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. Thanks for watching another episode of our channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Join us next time as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe. Until then, keep looking up at the stars.